So, hello po ma'am. So, nandito na naman po tayo sa panibago Python programming. Which is, ito na po, sisimulan ko na po. And first, nag-insert ako ng variable which is model. Model is equals to input, enter a cellphone number. Then lumabas ang output, enter a cellphone model. At ang requirements ng model is Samsung S10. Nilagay ko po Samsung S10. Then next, cost equals to input, enter a cost. Then lumabas po ang kanyang output which is enter a cost is 6,000. Ito po ang requirements. So, ang sumunod naman po is print model is dalawang curly brace 0. Then cost is PHP or Philippine Peso is curly brace ulit 1. That format model tsaka cost. Tapos lumabas sa output is model is Samsung S10 tapos cost is PHP. Bakit nga ba ganun? Eh, ang model dito sa print is 0 at dito naman sa cost is 1. Dahil dyan, kasi ito kasing 0 na to is nag-i-indicate siya ng line 1 which is ito yun. So what is, ano nga ba yung nasa line 1 natin? Eh, diba ang in-indicate natin dun kanina ma'am is Samsung S10. Then lalabas siya dito, Samsung S10. Then ang 1 naman is ito, ang ating second line. So ano ba yung in-indicate natin dun kanina is 6,000. And ilalabas ito 6,000. That format, model and cost. So ito yung format, model and cost. Ito yung model, at ito naman yung cost. Then next is print modulo S is model, then PHP or Philippine Peso, modulo D is the cost. That modulo model and cost. So parang same pa rin siya sa nauna. Modulo S is nag-i-indicate siya na Samsung. Which is ito nga, yung pinaka-format niya. Ayan po is modulo, then model, then ito modulo D is cost. Ano nga ba yung modulo S? Itong model, and then itong D is cost. Then the output will be Samsung S10 is the model, Philippine Peso 6,000 is the cost. So next is printf. His phone is model, curly brace the model which is worth Philippine Peso or PHP, curly brace then cost. Ang in-indicate natin na variable kanina is model. Ito. So, ano nga ba yung model? Ito, Samsung S10. Then, cost is ito. Variable sa pangalawang line. So, ano yung cost? Edi 6,000. Then, the output will be his phone is Samsung S10 which is worth 6,000 pesos. Yeah. So, yun lamang po.